Welcome back. Petrol price has been hiked and it has hit the common man again. Petrol prices have been hiked by 1 rupee 40 paise from Friday. The hike will be effective from midnight. This is the second hike in fuel prices since the past 2 weeks. Current price of petrol in Goa is 57 rupees, which would now be hiked to 58 rupees 41 paise per litre.
Oil marketing companies on Friday decided to raise petrol prices by 1 rupee 40 paise per litre effective from midnight. In Goa, the petrol prices will be 58 rupees 41 paise per litre. Fuel prices will last revised on 16 February. Last time, the rate of petrol was increased by rupees 1.5 paise per litre and diesel by 45 paise per litre. This is the second hike in fuel prices in 15 days. State-owned companies have been compelled to pass on the increase in petrol prices to consumers on account of uptrend in international crude oil prices and weakening of rupee against US dollar. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The High Court has directed for medical examination of mental health of a murder convict but acquitted the person Samir Shetye. This direction has come on the state government's petition challenging trial court's order to set Samir Shetye free. The trial court in its order had held him guilty of killing his wife but ordered his release, accepting his claim to be insane.
The High Court of Bombay at Goa has directed Director of Institute of Psychiatric and Human Behavior Panji to constitute a committee of 3 experts and to examine the mental health of murder convict Samir Shetye. The trial court has held Samir Shetye guilty for stabbing his wife but ordered to release him, accepting his claim to be insane. The High Court has directed Samir Shetye to appear before Doctors' Committee for medical examination by 4th March. Doctors' Committee has to file its report before the High Court in 2 weeks. On 1st December 2009, Samir Shetye stabbed his wife twice in her abdomen at his home and got arrested by the Vasco police from the scene of crime. Initially, he was charged for attempt to murder, but after battling for life for about 9 months, Samir's wife died on 6th of September 2010 and charge against Shetye was enhanced for murdering his wife. The District and Sessions Court Madgaon in its order dated 28 June 2012 held Samir Shetye guilty for stabbing his wife, but prosecution failed to satisfy the trial court that the injuries caused were sufficient to cause her death. The trial court also accepted accused claim that he was of unsound mind at the time of the incident on the basis of the conduct of the accused. As after the incident of stabbing, he did not run away from his house or not conceal the knife. The trial court ordered to release Samir from jail and directed police to hand over the attached keys of his house to him. The prosecution in its petition before the High Court has argued that if the trial court found him insane, then how did it order to release him free as he should have been sent to safe custody? Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa police have not taken action in the past 24 hours against the cop allegedly charged of raping a housemaid. A housemaid native of Karnataka, Ankola, has registered a complaint against Cape Police Constable Ram Prasad Prabhu for raping her for the past 2 years. She has complained that Constable duped her by promising to marry her when he was already married 2 years back. However, senior cops are not ready to comment on the alleged shameful act by their junior.
Another rape case involving police constable has shook the state. A housemaid in Kepe, very close to police station, has registered a rape case on Thursday against police constable Ram Prasad Prabhu. Victim is a native of Ankola, Karnataka, and she in her complaint has claimed that police constable was in physical relationship with her and had promised to marry her. But later she discovered that her police lover was already married to somebody else 2 years back. She has complained that accused raped her for the past 2 years. Surprisingly, no action has been taken against this police constable for his alleged act. Constable Ram Prasad Prabhu is not traceable since Thursday. He's been snapped with Section 376. DYSP Mahesh Gaukar and PI Santosh Desai have refused to comment on the alleged shameful act by their junior. When we contacted DYSP Gaonkar and PI Desai for a quote, both pointed fingers to another. Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.